welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on my truck. You see right there in the background. I have to change the wheel hubs. It's been bad for a while, and it's just the roaring is getting really bad, and I'm starting to lose gas mileage. Truck is like, if I take my foot off the accelerator pedal, the truck will like literally come to a stop. That's how bad they are. Alright, so I got the wheel hubs right here in the box. I'm going to throw those in the truck, and we're going to go up to the shop to get those changed. And also I'll put a snippet in here of how the wheel hubs actually sound, the roaring of the truck, on my way up to the shop. So let's go. Okay, after moving and shuffling cars all over the place just to get my truck in, I finally got it in the shop, and I'm getting ready to get started. I forgot my tripod, so I may not be able to time lapse this. I'm gonna try my best to do it, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So let's get started. I'm just go ahead and jack it up and pull the wheels off, and I'll come back to the video. All right, got the wheel off. Got the caliper off, and I'm getting ready to take the rotor off. This side here has that little star in there, so I'm about to try to find something, get that off real fast before I can pull the rotor off, and I'll come back to the video once I pull the rotor off. Okay, got the rotor off. This one spins really good, so I'm not sure if this one is going to be the issue. But I done came this far, so might as well go ahead and finish changing it. Okay, so I took the three 15mm bolts out the back, and what you want to do now is you want to pay attention to how this dust cover is on. This tab here is over by the tie rod, and this space right here is cut out for the caliper. So just like I said, you want to pay attention to that, because when I go to knock this off, it may knock the dust cover off, and you won't remember how to put this back on, and you have to put it back on the right way. If you take a chisel and you put it right in the top of there on one of the three sides and hit it, you can loosen this up, and that's how you can get it off. Okay, I got the hub assembly off, and basically you see, you take this whole wheel speed sensor cable, you just take this whole cable off because the new one comes with it, and it's a clip that goes right here, right there, and that's where it plugs in at right here. So just take that off completely. If you have a little corrosion inside of here, you might want to clean this out. Put some kind of grease in here just to keep it from sticking if you ever have to change it again. So let's go ahead and get the new one and put it on there. Okay, so I got the new hub in, dust cover is on, and it's in the right orientation. And you see I got the three bolts back in the back, the three 15mm bolts. And now the speed sensor wire, again, you want to make sure that you run that through the dust cover before you tighten the bolts up. And you want to put this clamp right here, it goes inside of here, just like that. This one goes inside of here, just like this, pushes in, and this connects to that, and I'm gonna need two hands to push this one in, but that's just how it connects to there, and it just clips to the top of that. Alright, so I'm putting my rotor back on, and this is the spot where you would put that little star screw back in, which I'm not gonna put in. You can put them in if you want. I just choose not to put them in. And then once I get that in, this on, I'm gonna put the caliper back on. Okay, brake caliper is on, and I'm getting ready to put the wheel back on. Okay, I got my wheel back on, and now let's move over to the other side. With the other side, I'm gonna time lapse it. So, yeah, so I won't hold you through this whole thing. I'll just time lapse it. Okay, I'm finished with the wheel hub installation, and I'll close this video out once I get back to the house. Okay, back at the house now. I changed out the wheel bearings, or the wheel hubs, in my truck. It still is roaring, but when I took them off, one of them was really tight. The one on the driver's side was really tight, and one on the passenger side was really loose. So I'm not sure if they were bad, but they need to be changed anyway. I still hear the roaring, but I won't know how the situation is with my fuel until I drive it to work next week, and then we'll find out. So thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button if you haven't. Click that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.